Hi guys, let me introduce you the cold room sliding doors. This is sliding doors here behind me. This is not automatic. This is you can just open it by hands. What make these doors using the applications, like these doors using application for medium cold rooms, even for the large, but most of them use for the large cold rooms. This door is like, as I said, it's like you can open it by hands, and there is some doors they open it by electric. It can go with a lot of difference. I'm just give you quick this introduction for these doors. This one is like the thickness is like 100 millimeter, and when you open it, you just need to push this side, see, and it opens. When you close it, you just back again, and it's closed. Or you can use this side. This is pretty easy, and I can show you very close to the materials. So this is the aluminiums, and this is here's the hinges or the connecting with the rack. So if you see, this one's like made from stainless steel. We know MTH, the Italian company, one of the best company, actually make doors. But the problem with them, they made it, I mean this part, they made it from plastic. So plastic, even whatever strong the plastic, with 5-10 years, or let's say 8 years, start to crack. Comparing with steel, steel is very strong. So even MTH noticed this problem, and they start to make it with stainless steel. So if you need any doors or any size of doors or any even colors, please just let me know or contact with me, Fraser Valley. This is Akram. Cheers.